So today we are going to starting the new article from the chapter superposition of waves. Let us consider the new article that is called as stationary waves. Question asked in such a way that what are stationary waves? Explain the formation of stationary waves. The term stationary, it means static. The term stationary means which is static or which is not in motion. Which is not in motion. Okay? Or which is remains constant at its own place, जो अपनी जगह पर कैसा है, कांस्टेंट है. स्टेशनरी वेव्स ऐसे वेव्स जो अपनी जगह पर कैसे हैं, कांस्टेंट फॉर्म में, which are remains static. So what do you understand by the term stationary waves? To understand the concept of stationary waves, let us consider the following diagram. Watch the diagram carefully. Okay. Here we can represent that this thick line. Let us consider the thick line. We named it as incident ray. Okay. Let us consider there are two lines in the wave. One is thick, another is represented by the dotted line. Okay. The thick line, it is represented as an incident ray, whereas the dotted line, it is represented as a reflected ray. We can name them as one is transverse, another is acts like a longitudinal wave. Why the one is transverse? Because the crest generally forms in transverse wave. Okay, and this is the trough. Again, a type of one part of a transverse wave, because transverse wave consists of one crest and one trough. Now, what do we understand by this wave, and how we say that what are stationary waves? Whenever two identical waves, identical का मतलब जो दिखने में एक जैसे हों. Try to get the meaning of this sentence. Whenever, ये sentence का meaning समझने की कोशिश करें. Whenever two identical waves, traveling through a medium, whenever two identical waves, you can call it as transverse or longitudinal. Whenever two identical waves traveling through a medium, okay, in opposite direction, the arrow tells us in opposite direction. ये भी आप देख रहे हैं, देखो इंसिडेंट का डायरेक्शन राइट साइड को जा रहा है, डॉटेड लाइन जिसको आपने क्या नाम दिया, रिफ्लेक्टेड, उसका डायरेक्शन अलग है. सो व्हेनेवर टू आइडेंटिकल वेव्स traveling through a medium in opposite direction, and when they interfere with each other, जब ये आपस में जब मिलती हैं, when they interfere with each other, then what happens? Their shape appears to be stationary. देखो बराबर है क्या, देखो इनका शेप आपको कैसा दिख रहा है. Their shape appears to be stationary called as क्या कहलाता है? Stationary waves. What do you understand by the term stationary waves? Whenever two identical waves traveling through a medium but in opposite direction, and when they interfere with each other, जब ये आपस में मिलते हैं, what happens? Their shape appears to be stationary, called as stationary waves, as shown in the figure. Watch it. So, after getting the idea of stationary waves, let us discuss about the diagram. Diagram के बारे में थोड़ा discuss करेंगे. In the figure, we are representing some positions. Let us consider this is A point. Okay, this one is the A. This one is B. Okay, this point is C. Okay, A. This point B, C, D, E, and F. Let us consider some notations we have used. We have represented. We have used some points A, B, C, and D. In the figure, if you observe carefully, अगर हम carefully observe करते हैं, see the points such as A, C, and E. In the figure, at points A, C, and E, they have maximum amplitude. In the figure, at point A, C, and E, what we are observing? We are observing that they have maximum amplitude. They have maximum amplitude. Okay? Whereas, because of maximum amplitude here, एंटीनोड इज फॉर्म्ड. जहां पर मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड आपको मिलता है वो क्या फॉर्म करता है? एंटीनोड इज फॉर्म. दैट वेयर द पॉइंट एट विच, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड और एंटीनोड? द पॉइंट एट विच, व्हाट इज एंटीनोड? द पॉइंट एट विच मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड इज फॉर्म. दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड एज एंटीनोड. Let us consider in the figure the points such as, yes, B, D, and F. What happens here? They rise on the horizontal line. ये horizontal line को attach है. The points such as B, D, and F, they have minimum amplitude. They have minimum amplitude. That minimum amplitude point is called as, that is here. Here a node is formed. That point is called as node. So where we have antinode at point A, at point C, at point E, we have maximum amplitude. That is antinode. And what about the points B, D, and F? We have minimum amplitude. That point is called as antinode. And it is said that one node and one antinode, they forms a wave. कहाँ है? और एक एंटीनोड, आपको नोड कहाँ मिल रहा है? यहाँ पर एक नोड यहाँ मिल रहा है. ओके, what happens here? Node, antinode, the distance between one node and one antinode. Yes, what we can say here, one node and one antinode, what they form? They forms a wave. जैसा आपने देखा था, one crest and one trough forms a wave. One compression, one ray refraction forms a wave. One maxima and one minima of sound called as a beat, that is again forms a wave. One node and one antinode forms a wave. Distance between two nodes or distance between two antinode is called as, क्या नाम देंगे इसको? It is called as wavelength of a wave, represented by the symbol lambda. It is measured in इट इज मेजर्ड इन मीटर, इसको मीटर में मेजर किया जाता है. ओके, वन नोड and one anti-node. It is the important thing. One node and one anti-node have a wavelength of about, that is equal to lambda by 4. One node and one anti-node have a wavelength of about how much? Lambda by 4. यहाँ पर क्या बताया गया? The distance between two nodes or distance between two antinode is called as wavelength. उसको wavelength कहेंगे. दो नोड या फिर दो एंटीनोड को क्या कहते हैं? Wavelength कहते हैं. But what about the distance? Distance between two nodes or distance between two antinode is always equal to lambda by 2. lambda by 2 distance कहाँ मिलता है आपको? Distance between two nodes or distance between two antinode is always equal to lambda by 2. What about one node and one antinode? The distance between one node and one antinode, it is equal to lambda by 4. And what is this distance? The distance of two node or two antinode is called as wavelength. Okay. So what happens in stationary waves? In stationary waves, here the amplitude, here the amplitude and frequency both are equal. Why it is called as stationary waves? Because here the amplitude and frequency both are equal. Okay, with equal interval of time, these waves moves in equal interval of time. बराबर है. जब ये दोनों एक ही समय पर जब जंप करेंगे, जैसा कोई बच्चा है रस्सी खेल रहा है समझो, जैसे ये बच्चा ऊपर जाएगा, what forms? Antinode is formed. जैसे वो नॉर्मल लाइन को आकर टच होगा जमीन की सरफेस पर, अर्थ की सरफेस पर आकर जब पैर पर टच होते, दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड एज नोड. सो वन नोड एंड वन एंटी नोड, द डिस्टेंस इज लैम्बडा बाय 4. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू नोड्स और टू एंटी नोड, आप ये देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर, व्हाट इज दिस पॉइंट? द डिस्टेंस ऑफ टू नोड्स. व्हाट अबाउट दिस पॉइंट्स? These 2 points are called as the distance of two antinodes. Okay, that is, this is, all these points are related to the properties or characteristics of stationary waves. So what do you understand by stationary waves? Whenever two identical waves traveling through a medium but in opposite direction, and when they interfere with each other, their shape appears to be stationary. Okay, second point, in stationary waves both amplitude and frequency are in equal interval of time, they are same. What about in stationary wave? A stationary wave consists of one node, one antinode. Distance between node and antinode is equal to lambda by 4. Distance between two nodes or two antinode is called as wavelength, and it is equal to how much? Lambda by 2. समझ में आ रहे हो? At a node the distance is minimum or amplitude is minimum, whereas at antinode the amplitude is maximum. Watch it. Yes, another important thing what we can say that about the stationary waves, that stationary waves are all particles of stationary waves are in the same phase. बराबर है? All particles of stationary waves, they are in same phase. एक ही phase में होते हैं. Okay? Another important thing that stationary waves are doubly periodic in time. Stationary waves are doubly periodic in time and periodic in space. देखो कुछ बातें समझ में आ रही हैं क्या? Stationary waves are doubly periodic in time, एक ही समय पर, and they are periodic in space, एक ही समय पर क्या होता है, वे लोग स्पेस में होते हैं और एक ही समय पर क्या होते हैं, दे रीचेस टू द नॉर्मल लाइन, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन पर जीरो लाइन को आपको टच होते हैं, इसलिए क्या बताया गया, डबली पीरियोडिक इन टाइम, जो फॉर्म क्रेस्ट, जैसी क्रेस्ट अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जाता है उतना ही ट्रफ डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जाता है, इट मींस दैट दे आर doubly periodic in time and periodic in space. This is the property, and because of which we get the picture stationary. So after getting what are stationary waves, now obtain the equations of or expression for stationary waves. Discuss the mathematical formation of stationary waves. Okay, and we are well familiar that what are stationary waves. Stationary wave consists of incident ray and reflected ray. Whenever incident ray and reflected ray, which are moving in opposite direction and interfere with each other, at that time what happens, their shape appears to be stationary. तो ये incident ray और reflected ray को आप क्या बोल सकते हैं, there are two identical waves. Whenever two identical waves traveling through a medium, whenever two identical waves traveling through a medium but in opposite direction, what happens, their shape appears to be stationary. Go on here.